Hey, this is Jim, your Southwest Florida realtor down here in sunny, beautiful Estero, Florida. Check it out behind me. We got a really nice house that we're going to do a walkthrough on. But let me tell you where it's located. If you are looking for a community that has golf, boating, restaurant, and river club with all the amenities and all the activities you ever want to do, this is going to be the place for you. This house behind me is a very nice house. It's 4 bedrooms, 2 full baths, 2,688 square feet under air with a pool, and it has a mother-in-law suite. So let's go in. We'll take a look at it. I think you're going to love it. Here we are. We'll take a quick look at the exterior of the house. Look down the street here. Nice, quiet community. Gated community, close to all amenities, shopping, dining, anything you need. 10 minutes from the airport. Let's go ahead and take a look at the house. Here we are walking up to the entrance, double doors. It's got shutters all the way around, so you got your hurricane protection. We're stepping in, standing inside the foyer. Walk in, you got your dining room. Opens up to your living room right here, which actually goes out to the lanai. We're going to check that out here in a few minutes. Over to the right, we have the master bedroom. The master bedroom right here, which opens up to the lanai and pool area. Nice tall coffered ceilings. Master bath with a garden tub, dual sinks, his and hers, garden tub, shower, water closet, dual closets. That's a standard closet right there. This one is a walk-in with California closets built into it, so plenty of room for clothes, which you don't need a whole lot in Florida, especially with the heat. Walking out of the bedroom, you can walk into the kitchen here. You can walk into the family room here. We'll go and check out the kitchen. Really nice kitchen. Nice wood cabinets, appliances, built-in oven, solid surface counters, bar. Nice big open kitchen. Opens up into the living room, into the family room actually. Check that out. Kitchen, walk-in pantry. Got the utility off of it over there on the side with the utility sink. Here we are standing walking into the family room, bar, kitchen bar. Family room, nice tall ceilings, nice and airy, light. Goes out to your bedroom bath out there. We're going to go out and check that out. Second bedroom. This house is actually being sold turnkey furnished, so you can just basically bring your clothes, come on down, and just move right in. So this furniture stays. There are some linens, dishware, and silverware also. Third bedroom. Got the intercom throughout. Second bath, single sink, nice lighting. Shower. Really awesome feature that this house has. It has its own separate bedroom bath off the house. So it's good for guests, mother-in-law, father-in-law, kids, so forth like that. So here we are. Here it is, just a bedroom. Really nice bedroom. Opens up to the pool area, but it's in its own separate little location. Bathroom for it. Single sink, full bath, shower. Right here is what we really come to Florida for, and that's just to sit outside and enjoy nature, enjoy the weather. A little bit overcast today, but it's still actually a beautiful day, nice and warm. Just come out here and have your favorite beverage. Sit down and listen to some music. It's your covered lanai here. Walk out here, get you a refreshing swim in your pool. Nice private view. Nice pool, nice inviting area. There's that cabana we were talking about that's separated from the house. Hurricane shutters, electric. Absolutely gorgeous house. If you'd like more information, give us a call, shoot us a text, 239-233-4060. Jim with the Jim Neal Realty Group, powered by XP Realty. Give me a call. Let's talk. We'll talk about this house. We'll talk about any house that you're looking for in Florida or anything I can help you with. All right. Talk soon. Have a great day.